my god. That is just disgusting. It's so deep too. Oh my god. I just realized I put this all on my bed and I sleep on my bed, and this is literally like a few-year-old garbage. I hate myself. Hello, what is up? It's me. I made a new YouTube channel. I thought I would try this out. So basically I've been collecting this giant thing of empties for like a year, 2 years. Like, this giant bag of trash has been literally sitting under my sink for so long, and it's just like garbage, shampoo bottles, and it's literally trash. So I thought I would show you guys my trash, and if the lighting is really bad in this video, I'm sorry. I wanted to start filming YouTube videos again, and all I got is a phone and a tripod and the sun. So if this is really shitty, just bear with me. I just wanted to start making YouTube videos again. I think it's so fun. So let's go ahead and dive right into my bag of garbage. So right on top, I'm seeing these two. It's a shampoo and conditioner from OGX, and it's the Cherry Blossom Heavenly Hydration Shampoo and Conditioner. Gianna Maris here on YouTube, she was the one who posted these, and I got them, and they're really nice. They smell really good. I just finished these up, actually, and it's what started me on OGX, like using it for good, because now I use it all the time. This was also on the top. It's the Marc Anthony Oil of Morocco Argan Oil Conditioner. It's just a conditioner. I think my sister gave it to me. Nothing special. Okay, and then this is this really shitty Pantene 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I would never recommend these ever. My grandparents always stay in my bathroom when they come here, and they always use this, and sometimes I would use it like if you're in a rush. But if you want some good hair, don't use a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. Just don't. And here we have a bag of Almay makeup remover wipes. I don't remember who I saw recommended these on YouTube, but someone did, and they're pretty good. Honestly, I think all makeup wipes do like the same thing. I'm sorry to offend anyone that spends like $20 on nice makeup wipes, but I really think they all just do the same thing. So sometimes I can never remember if I keep empty contact lotion bottles and put them in my bag of garbage for this video that I have not filmed yet. But, so there's probably going to be a lot of these in there. This one's Renew. I usually use the Target brand because it's the cheapest. Oh, this is called, oh god, Gearmac Distinctions. It's a silver shampoo for toning, and I don't dye my hair, but my sister gave this to me because she used to dye her hair, and it literally smells so good. It kind of smells manly, kind of like Old Spice-ish, but it also smells like feminine-y, like fruity. This is the best, like, scented shampoo I've ever used in my life. Oh, this is Wound Wash. If you have like piercings or anything, like I have my nose pierced for a long time, and I would use this. It's just like a saltwater cleanser. Empty Degree deodorant. This is the one that I use, so TMI probably, but I sweat a lot, and it took me forever to find a deodorant that really worked for me, that didn't leave like white powder stuff everywhere, that kept the smell out, and this one did for sure. Can you see that? Probably not. It's the Degree Motion Sense Fresh Energy Invisible Solid. This is the shit. So glad I found my Holy Grail deodorant. Oh, this soap, I forgot about this. It's been so long since I've had this trash under my sink that I'm literally forgetting what's in here. So this is the Soft Soap, what's it called? Citrus Splash and Berry Fusion Body Wash. This smelled really good. I haven't used it in a while, and it was nice and moisturizing because it has those little beads in it, you know, that exfoliate your skin. So this was really good. I'll have to try some more scents of that. These are these little mini flosser things. I hate regular floss. It's such a pain in the ass. And I have a permanent retainer like on my bottom teeth, so you can't like, it's hard to thread the floss through, so this is a little bit easier. You can just like get it in there, you know. But I love these. I use these all the time. Oh, some women's shave gel. This is from Target. It's just shaving cream, and fun fact, I don't use shaving cream anymore. I think it's a waste of money. Use conditioner, use soap, use some other shit. You don't need to buy that. All right, here's another Degree Motion Sense Fresh Energy. Oh my god. Another Degree. We have a nice collection of 3. But hey, that means the deodorant works. That means I liked it, which is good. Ooh, we have a Paul Mitchell The Detangler Super Rich. You can't see that. Super Rich Conditioner. I love Paul Mitchell. My dad exclusively uses Paul Mitchell, and I really like it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It smells really good. It's good for your hair. It's a little pricey if I remember right, but it's a good shampoo, conditioner line. God damn it, another one of these 2-in-1 things. I went through a stage where my hair was really oily, really greasy, and I could not figure out what to use, and this worked on me for a while, but It's shitty. Like, I would not recommend using this all the time. Like, use a shampoo and conditioner. Ooh, these are the Not Your Mother's Way to Grow Long and Strong shampoo and conditioner. These made my hair oily. I did not notice any growth, so I really would not repurchase these. I would not purchase these. My hair is kind of like fucky though. Like, my roots are really oily, but like here is really dry, so it's just kind of hard to find something that works. These didn't really work, but I mean, I bought them, so I kept using them. And I think my grandma bought me like another set, so I used that too. But like, if someone buys me something, I'm just gonna use it. Ooh, a Bath & Body Works Sugar Plum Dream lotion. I use a lot of these little handheld like lotion things. I have one in my purse, in my car, in my backpack. Oh, I used this deodorant for a while. Holy shit, there's a lot of deodorant in here. So before I use the powder, I use these gel ones. These are the Secret Outlast gel deodorants, and these are okay. But when you sweat as much as I do, these stop working after a while, so I moved to the powder version. But I feel like the gel kind of mixes with the sweat and like makes it more sweaty. Does that make sense? But these worked for a while. They're good deodorants. What the fuck? Oh, okay, this is full. I hated this shit. It made my hair so greasy. I even used it as conditioner. Still made my hair greasy. Didn't put it in my roots. Still made my hair greasy. This came, and I always buy those Ulta like hair care like sample sets because I like them. And sometimes you find really good stuff out of there that you want to repurchase in the full size, which is the point of that set. But this was shit. Hated it. Oh, this is so old. This is literally so old you can't even see it. This is a Target Deep Cleanser Cream. I remember the smell of this. It's like minty. Oh, yeah, no. This was like the first face wash I ever used. It's not good, but I bought it. I was like, oh my god, I'll use a face wash. And, you know, it was, everyone has their first time. Okay, I have a lot of Bath & Body Works soaps in here, so get ready. This is Twilight Woods. I religiously use Bath & Body Works soaps. I have like 5 backups under my sink. I love to try all the different scents. So here we have a Winter Candy Apple, Twilight Woods, Tuscan Vineyard. I love grape scented anything. Grape soda, grape candy. Not really actual grapes though, which is weird, but I love grape stuff, so this was hella good. It's literally grape scented. Ooh, pumpkin cupcake, awesome scent. Deep Sea Wonders, also a good scent. I don't think they have it anymore though. And Peach Bellini.
Oh my god, more deodorant.
Ooh, Secret Passion Tango. This is a gel one. Ooh, Secret Hawaii. This deodorant is the shit. I don't think they make it anymore, and it doesn't really do anything for like the sweat, but it smells hella good. So, I mean, oh my god, that smells so good. I probably have more of these in here. Jergens Natural Glow. This is the shit. If you're too scared to commit to an actual self tanner, like me, like I'm too scared to buy a living tan and all that, I just use this. It's a lotion. It's great. It is not too orange. It's definitely a little orange. You gotta be careful, but this is awesome. I'm using one right now that's almost empty. Just bought a new one the other day.
Contact solution. Contact solution.
Dove deodorant. I didn't like this one. It smells like lavender and shit. It's weird. Another deodorant. What the fuck? Another one of these 2-in-1 things? I don't even remember using all these, but like I said, my grandparents always come in town and they leave these in my shower, so sometimes you just use them. I think this is what I used when my hair was really greasy and shitty and I didn't know what to do with it, so... Oh my god! The Herbal Essences Totally Twisted Curl Conditioner. My hair is obviously straightened right now, like I flat ironed it, but my hair is naturally pretty curly, so I think that's why I bought these. Here's the shampoo. These are pretty good. They were chill. They smelled really good. More contact solution. Oh my. Another deodorant. Bitch, what the fuck? This is like full. This is another makeup wipe. It's the Simple Micellar wipe. Oh, this is sad. My empty Justin Bieber Someday perfume. I just finished this like a week ago. This is my favorite scent in middle school. This is heartbreaking. Oh my god. Smashbox Primer Water. This is my holy grail. Ride or die. I've tried Urban Decay. I've tried Mario Badescu, that rose water spray, which I have in here. I do like this. This isn't empty. Just finished it. Going back to my more. But this shit is awesome. Prime your face with it. Spray it in the middle. Spray it when you're feeling dry. Spray it when you're done with your makeup. This is literally the best. Your skin looks hella glowy, hella nice. Love it. Love this thing. This is, if you're gonna buy anything out of this video, buy this if you have dry skin or oily skin. You probably like it then too. But yeah, rant over. Those are the shit. So We have a Taylor Swift Enchanted Wonderstruck perfume. That's a really good scent. It's kind of wintry, kind of my fall scent. Oh my god. CoverGirl 3-in-1 Stay Fabulous Foundation in the shade Classic Ivory. This was the foundation that I wore freshman year. My makeup probably looked like shit because I didn't know what I was doing, but this is really good. This is a great foundation. Great for beginners. Ooh, Pink Sugar Plum hand sanitizer. There's going to be a lot of those in here. A little moisturizer sample. I'm not going to go through all these. Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray sample. Oh, these, like, what are they called? Matrix shampoo and conditioner. They were okay. They were just a sample one. Champagne Sparkle hand sanitizer. That shit's good. For some reason, I saved all these wallflowers. They don't even have the scents on them, so I don't know why this is beneficial. Past Heidi is a dumb bitch, but whatever. I use wallflowers from Bath & Body Works religiously. Have a ton of them. Oh, this dry shampoo. If I remember correctly, I just threw it away. Yeah, it's full. This dry shampoo is literally shit. It makes your hair feel so weird. No offense to Eva Nye Zero Gravity Volume Powder. I hate you. I got it in Empties. L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible Pro Glow. This foundation is the tits. If you have dry skin, this is amazing. Doesn't really flake on me. But if you have oily skin, you probably wouldn't like it. But Tati Westbrook did a video and she said she hated it because it broke her out. So if you have sensitive skin or acne prone skin, you probably won't like this. It might break you out. I don't know. If you have dry skin, give this a go. This. Stop the world. Halt. This shit is the bomb. This is the It's a 10 Potion 10 Miracle Styling Potion. I got this in one of those, again, those Ulta hair sample things. This is literally so good. Put it on when it's wet out of the shower. You can sleep on it. You can let it dry. You can let it air dry. You can blow dry it and then style it. This makes your hair so soft. Smells so good. This is amazing. I will be repurchasing this for sure. Oh, CoverGirl Clump Crusher Extensions Lash Blast. This is still full. I just really did not like this very much. Oh my god. Stop. Bath & Body Works Beautiful Day. This scent is one of my all-time favorites. Definitely top 3 Bath & Body Works. It might even be my favorite. Fuck, I don't know. This scent is so good. I have this. I have a current one that's not opened. I've had this in a soap, and I have had this in a lotion, and it's the shit. This Be Fine Food Skincare Night Cream. This is a really, really thick moisturizer that I would use before bed because I have dry skin. I got that in an empty bag. It was really good. Revlon Stay Matte Powder. This is really good, but it gives me mad flashback. This was the first, like, face powder I ever really used. It's good, but just a side note, gives you flashback. Oh, Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. This is like a walk down memory lane. This is all the stuff that people used to really like, but like not so much anymore. Oh, this is the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighting Powder. This is okay. I mean, it's not that good. It's really powdery on me, and it also looks like a vagina. So this shit. Joico K-Pack Color Therapy Luster Lock. This is the best. This is like a hair mask. Today was the first day back after winter break. And look how, no offense, but look how nice and smooth my hair looks. It's because of this. I bought another little sample size of this, and it is the bomb. It's so hydrating, and it makes your hair look so smooth, especially if you're going to straighten it. I would buy this. Empty Roller Lash NYX HD Concealer. I didn't really like this very much. It was kind of drying, like kind of crusty. Maybelline Fit Me. Maybelline Fit Me. I bet there's another one in here. These are really good. I have nothing to say about them. They're literally the shit. Those mascaras, or what the fuck, concealers are so good. This lighting is literally so bad. I apologize. L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. Everyone really liked this mascara, and like it was okay. I didn't use all of it. I mean, it's alright. It wasn't my favorite, but it did the job. Wet n Wild Coverall Primer. If I remember right, this is really hydrating. I use this a lot, actually. This is a good primer if you have dry skin. This is the Touch in Soul No Problem Primer. Jeffree Star raved about this after I had used up the sample, and I was like, wow, something someone really popular uses. The Rock Tantalizer. Hate this. Highlight is powdery. Bronzer is orange. This was the first, like, one of the first makeup pieces I ever bought. So this lighting is so bad, and I would like to apologize for it, but if you watched the whole video, kudos to you because this lighting is terrible. Rimmel Lasting Finish Foundation. This is really good. I like it. Wet n Wild Setting Spray. This is also really good. I liked this a lot. Not as good as Smashbox Primer Water, but yo! Oh my god. Why did I put these in there? You don't even know the scent. This is literally just a bag full of empty wallflowers. You can't even know what smell it was. That's so stupid. The lighting in this video just changed so hardcore, but It's chill. I'm just trying to get through this shit. The Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal. This was one of the first not first mascaras I used, but this was my favorite back in the dizzy day. I would like to buy this again and see if I still like it. Oh, this is the Wet n Wild Contour Stick. There was a lot of hype about this, I think, and I honestly hated it. Got it. I literally looked everywhere for it and I hated it. Too Faced Better Than Sex sample. To this day, this is my favorite mascara of all time. A dried up empty Stila, what's it called? Stay All Day Waterproof Liner. This is really good. This is the one liner I still use to this day. Maybelline Master Precise. This shit's hella old. Also a good mascara or eyeliner. Really good for beginners, by the way. Jordana Best Lash Extreme. This is really good. I remember I got it for Christmas and I think I got 2 of them actually, and I think that one's in here also. Empty Baby Lips. I would just like to show you guys that these chapsticks are literally empty. Finishing a chapstick is like my biggest accomplishment. Master Precise. Classic. Oh, this e.l.f. High Definition Under Eye Setting Powder. That shit is empty. This bitch is empty. Yeet. That's a good setting powder. e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. I just use this to wet my brush sometimes because I don't want to waste my Smashbox eyeshadow or setting spray. Ooh, this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Y'all know this shit is so good. I ran out of this. I was gonna repurchase it, but I started to try new concealers, you know. Maybelline Dream Lumi. That's a good concealer. NYX Brow Mascara. This is so good. I still use this. I have one, exact same color. It has like a bigger one, so it really gets all your brow, holds that shit in place. Super good. Another Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal. Shit. Oh, the Maybelline Falsies Volume Express. I used to love Maybelline mascaras, if you can't tell from this video. The Rocket Volume Express. This mascara used to be my all-time favorite. I loved this shit. I started wearing mascara in like 7th grade, I think, and I was like, this is my holy grail. But now that I've grown up, I've realized there is so much better in life than this mascara, but it's good. This chapstick is called Hurrah. It's root beer flavored, and I got it at this little like hippie store called It's a Beautiful Day in my area. There's the other half to that mascara wand that I threw. This is e.l.f., I think. Oh, there's the other Jordana Best Lash Extreme. See, I used to use this all the time. Ooh, sample of the Balm Mad Lash. This is a good mascara. Oh, the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Illuminating Palette. This isn't an empty, but I just threw it away because it's not good anymore. Like, I think I liked it at first, but after a while, I don't know. It's just like one of these strip ones, but it's powdery. It's not really blinding, which is what I like. You can't even see it on my face, but I like a blinding highlight, and that just wasn't it. This is the Benefit Total Moisture Facial Cream. I got this in a Benefit vending machine in Houston when I was going to Disney World, and I lost my wallet in that airport, and this was the last thing I bought with my card before I lost my fucking wallet and ruined my trip. But point of the story is, this shit smelled so good. I literally used it dry. There's nothing left in here at all, not even a drop. And I was gonna go back and repurchase it, but it's kind of expensive, and I didn't really notice it did anything great for my skin. It just smelled so fucking good. Like, it just smells so good. And this smell reminds me of Disney World now, which was a trip I took sophomore year, and it was the best, like, week of my life, so it just is, like, nostalgic. I don't know. This Physicians Formula Concealer Stick. I used to love this shit, but it is literally a nightmare. If you have dry skin, a stick concealer is your worst nightmare, like it is. The last thing in the bag, a Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. That was all my empties. I'm so glad you hung out and went through my trash with me. I really hope you enjoyed watching. I want to start making more YouTube videos. I think creating and editing content is so much fun, and I'm always embarrassed that like people are gonna make fun of me or judge me, but it was really a good time. So I hope you liked this video. If you want to see more from me, if you liked me, if you want to see some more shit, then subscribe. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye!